What is cracking, everybody? Today is Monday. We are back at it with another Killer Tabata workout today, August 16th, 2021, Monday. Back to the grind. I told you I wouldn't be here Friday, and I was not lying. Hopefully you did something and worked out a little bit, but it was nice to have 3 full days of rest and relaxation as far as grinding the Tabata workout. So, but I did overeat. I mean, I pigged out Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. My fasting last week, I only did 2.5 days instead of 3.5 days. So this week we're back at it I already started last night as usual. We're gonna go to at least Thursday afternoon, maybe Friday morning, depends on how I feel. But I was feeling pretty good. And of course now when you eat so much, the salt builds up, you start feeling like that. Anyway, but that's life. Anyway, still a little shredded. Today we got another Killer Tabata workout, 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest, 12 exercises, 3 rounds, 6 minutes around 18 minutes of work. That's what we got today. What do we got out here today? The only piece of equipment, boom, heavy 80-pound medicine ball. We're gonna get on that today. We're gonna be picking it up and dropping it, almost like deadlifts, but we're gonna pick it up, drop it, and then one set, we're gonna pick it up, bring it up overhead, drop it, pick it up, bring it up. You probably only get 2 or 3 of those if you're using something that heavy. Plus we got a lot of push-ups today. We're gonna do regular push-ups, 1 arm push-up on the ball, then the other arm switching, and then both arms on the ball. And then of course we got some other stuff for abs, like always, abs. You know, we gotta crush the abs, always. All right, so let's get started today, shall we? We're gonna crank up this timer and we are gonna get started. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share, comment, turn post notification on. I wanna hurry up before it starts raining. As you know, in Florida, we're getting a little bit of rain today. And let's get it going. First thing is jumping jacks. Easy. Everybody knows how to do jumping jacks. Come on. Come on. You don't know how to do jumping jacks. There's something wrong with you. Boom, 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 boom. You can go fast. You can go slow. I don't care. Do them any way you want. Just get them done for 20 seconds. Crank them out. Just checking out the pool. Freaking pool at its highest shit. Looks like it's gonna overflow. Probably gotta fix that. Push up, straight up. Let's get this ball out of the way. It's freaking heavy. Let's just get down right here. Straight up push up. So 2 arms, 2 hands down, all the way down, touch the floor. Boom, chest to floor. Boom, boom, boom. Head neutral. Don't keep your head up. Keep your head neutral. That's it. Crank it out. Get those shoulders jacked up. Next, heavy med ball. Pick up and drop. Easy. Pick it up, drop it. Ready? Watch this. Pick it up, right here, drop. Use your legs, up, drop, up, 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 up. Woo! Sprinter. Move this over. Sprinter sit-ups. All right, so we're gonna go back, and one arm comes up, the other leg comes up, opposite. Like you're running, but you're doing sit-ups. So boom, back, boom, back, boom, back, boom, and boom, boom. One more. Seal jacks coming up. Everyone knows how to do seal jacks. Come on. We've done these a million times. Arms in, legs in. Do it same time as your arms and your legs go out. Just like that. All the way out. Get a good stretch with those arms. Yeah, exactly. Next, back to the heavy med ball. Pick up and drop. So it's like, kind of like we're deadlifting this ball. So let's try it again. Get it right under you. Boom, up, drop, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. One more, up. Ooh, that's tough. Next, med ball push-ups, alternate. Let's get back for it. Can you see what I'm doing? One arm, so one arm here, we're gonna go pop, pop it over, pop it over, pop it over, pop it over, and then push up, pop over. Push up, pop it. Ah, it's heavy. Woo, those are brutal. Mountain climbers. Let's get this out of the way. Out of the way. Easy down. Knees come in. Nice. Keep your core tight here. If you can, when you bring your knees up, go to the opposite arm that's on the ground. Like that. Okay. Cross jacks. You can do cross jacks. That's where you go. Your feet go in and out. Or should I say up and back? And your arms crisscross. Applesauce. Crisscross. Applesauce. That's it. Come on. Get your sweat on right here. This is when you gotta do it. Last set of 4. This is where you push. You still got a little bit left. Heavy med ball clean and press. So what are we gonna do? Pick it up and then overhead. Watch this. Get over it. Pick it up. Up. And up. Down. Pick it up. Up right here. Oh, over it. Down. Up. Under it. Let's get one more. Down, up, and up overhead. Woo! Push-ups. Again. We're jacking up the arms. Both hands on the ball here. So 2 hands here, down, push-ups. That's it. Woo! Touch the ball at your chest. Boom. 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 Brutal. Last but not least, jackknife crunches. Easy. That's where we go. We lean back and bring it in. Bring your knees in, arms out. If you can't, keep your balance. Put your hands behind you like this. Hold yourself up. Pull it in. Like that. But if you do it without hands, even better. Woo! Oh, shit. That's our one round. Way to come back on a Monday. Woo! It feels good, I'll tell you that. After a couple days of not really doing anything, it feels good. Heavy duty workout. We're gonna get shoulders, we got the abs, we got the legs on that one. So stay tuned for tomorrow where it's probably all arms. Gonna do some weights, maybe some dumbbells, but you will stay tuned and you'll find out. That's Neil. There's a mess. Grinding wheel. Saying peace. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, turn, peace out.